The ice cream is too soft or the ingredients are too few. First of all, to view the output of the machine. If the machine output is 20 to 25 liters, belonging to economy style with relatively small output, if there is a significant demand for continuous discharge from customers, suggest buying models with 30 to 38 liters or 50 to liters or more. Second, we must ensure that the material in the bowl is sufficient. If the material has already bottomed out, it's also impossible to make materials. Third, poor heat dissipation of the machine. Then we need to solve the ventilation problem of the entire machine. It is necessary to ensure that the distance between the front, back, left, and right of the machine is at least 1 meter. Fourth, the gear may be too low. When the gear is too low, it is necessary to adjust to increase or decrease the gear. Fifth, check the voltage. If the voltage is 220 volts, but if the voltage cannot be reached, need to buy a voltage regulator. Sixth, the belt loose or worn, need to adjust or replace the belt. Seventh, malfunctions in the machine refrigeration system. The entire refrigeration system of the machine has malfunctioned. Refrigerant leakage, or it could be a compressor malfunction.